Welcome to Film Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking milkfish in black beans and tofu. So let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have tomatoes, onions, garlic, black beans, fried tofu. We are using the firm tofu here, and we have also the fried, deep fried milkfish. This is only half cooked, and we got olive oil, soy sauce, pepper, black pepper, Kikoman, and salt. So this is a very simple recipe, and we just be careful in using iodized salt because the black beans is already salty. So we'll just kind of guesstimate and taste how it's like before we add our salt and soy sauce. So let's start cooking. So in our hot wok here, let's put olive oil, all right, then let's saute our onions. Okay, let's stir it and give it a minute. Our onion is cooked, so let's put our garlic. All right, let's give it half a minute to cook it. Now this is the time to put our tomatoes. We'll cook this for, I should say, 2 minutes, but we need to cover it. Let's cover it now. Now let's check our tomatoes. All right, this is almost cooked. Tomato is almost cooked. We'll probably need another minute, and then we're gonna put the milkfish. I think this is okay. This is fine. So let's put our milkfish in. So the milkfish will absorb the juice from the tomatoes. There you go. All right, and then we can also add our tofu. Okay, there you go. This is really delicious. Add the tofu in. There you go. It's beautiful. All right. And then we can add our black bean. There you go. Like I told you, the black bean is already salty, so we're gonna let, I don't think we need to add additional fish sauce, or then let's add our black pepper and just a little of Kikoman sauce to taste. So let's let this simmer for another 2 minutes, and we'll be right back. Here's our finished product: milkfish and tofu in black beans. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching and have a good day.